She wanted me to be a changed man. It's 200 for the 8 ball, 200 for the OZ. Too many nights I was in the trap, stressed out, I had no sleep. So tired of running for the police. Did this shit with no team, no guidance, no father figure, no big bros, no OGs. Yeah, I thank the Lord that I made it here. Who would thought that I'd make it here? No time to whine, no time to cry, cause life's a bitch and I ain't playing fair. Got a humble soul with a humble heart, but if you try me, dog, I'll take it there. Court cases and lawyer fees, I just dropped like 30K. Hit the block just to make it back, but I made it back in a dirty way.
I say that's pretty good. Two left.
All the losses I ever took.
One of the whites. Oh, two whites.
Now I was cutting grams and pushing pounds. Got a broken soul and a broken spirit with a broken heart and a crooked smile. Got the work in my backpack. I ain't frontin' shit where the cash at. Suckers hate, but I'm past that. Police kick the door where the stash at. Having nightmares, having flashbacks. I think about it like all the time. Every day when I hit the streets, all I see is my daughter eyes.
And that's it, folks.